What's up, guys? If your Apple Watch is stuck on lock to owner or iCloud activation lock, and you think it's completely useless, this video might be exactly what you need. Right now, thousands of people are dealing with the same problem. You reset your Apple Watch, or maybe bought it secondhand, and suddenly it asks for the previous owner's Apple ID, something you don't have. At that moment, most people give up. They think the watch is permanently locked, or worse, a total waste of money. But here's the truth. There are still ways you can try to remove or bypass the Apple Watch iCloud activation lock. And in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step method that you can follow right now. And the best part? You don't need a computer. You don't need any special tools. And you don't need the previous owner's Apple ID to try this method. But listen carefully. You must watch this video from start to finish and follow every single step exactly as I show you. Because if you skip anything, even one small step, the method might not work on your Apple Watch. So take this seriously and don't rush it. Before we start, do me a quick favor. If this video helps you, hit the like button, share this video with anyone who has the same problem, and subscribe to my channel because I post videos that help you fix and unlock Apple devices step by step. And if this method doesn't work on your Apple Watch, don't worry. Just go down the comments section and tell me your Apple Watch model, and I'll try to help you with another possible solution. All right, now let's get into the method and see how you can unlock your Apple Watch iCloud activation lock step by step.